Welcome to today's video. If you have purchased a domain name from GoDaddy and you are using WordPress for your website, you might be wondering how to connect them together. In this tutorial, I will show you the exact process so you can point your domain from GoDaddy to your WordPress site quickly and easily. First, open your WordPress account on your computer. From the menu, click on Upgrades. Under the Upgrades section, click on Domain. Now choose the option to add a new domain. Select Use a domain I own, then type in the domain name you purchased from GoDaddy. Click Continue, then click Select. At this point, go back to the Domain section and you will see that your domain has been added. Next, click on the three dots next to your domain and choose Manage DNS. You will see a TXT record value provided by WordPress. Copy this value carefully because you will need it for verification. Then, open your GoDaddy account. Click on your profile name at the top right, then select My Products. Scroll down until you find the domain you want to connect to WordPress. Click on DNS next to that domain. Look for Verify Domain Ownership and select it. Paste the TXT record value that you copied earlier from WordPress. Once you have entered it, click Verify. After verification, click on Name Servers in your GoDaddy settings. Choose Change Name Servers. Then select the option I will use my own name servers. Enter the following name servers exactly: ns1.wordpress.com, ns2.wordpress.com, and ns3.wordpress.com. Save your changes. Then click on Continue to confirm. Finally, wait for the update to take effect. This process may take an hour or sometimes several hours, depending on how quickly the changes spread across the internet. Once the update is complete, your domain will be connected to your WordPress site successfully. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.